Hi guys, thanks for your visiting. This is Joy. Today I would like to introduce you one humidifier. This air humidifier features as a large volume of 1000 milliliter. And we know humidifiers send out moisture into the air. The right air humidifier will help keep your skin healthy and glowing. It also alleviates skin irritation caused by dry air and improves breathing. Now let's introduce this air humidifier in details. It's in round design, and the width is 70 centimeter and the length is 9 centimeters. It's not very large, but the water capacity is up to 1000 milliliter. It's powered by a USB cable, but these items equipped with 2000 milliamp batteries, so it can last. You don't need to charge it always and can carry it to anywhere. First, have a brief introduction of this air humidifier. For better understanding, now let's go and learn how to operate it. At first, when we use it, we should make sure the cotton stick is fully wet. Now let's pour water inside. And wet the cotton sticker. When we use it, we should make sure the cotton stick is fully wet. Now we install it. Because this item is equipped with 2000 milliamp batteries, so if it's in full charge, you don't need to charging it always. And here is the button to operate. And when we first time to press it, it turns to continuous spray mode. Because sometimes if we think the room humidity is enough, but you still want to use the air humidifier, you can use it in intermittent spray mode. Just a second time to press the button. It will work 10 seconds and then stop 5 seconds. Like this cycle operations, you can see. Air humidifier has a continuous spray mode and intermittent spray mode. You can choose the spray mode as you need. And it also has a designed night light. You can long press it 3 seconds and turn it on. Warm night light is helpful and is totally safe for babies who are sensitive to smell and sound. You can put this air humidifier in our living room and the bedroom and the kitchen.